Fiji's Valivali Beach offers an active retreat with snorkeling and diving, while Matava Resort is the eco-adventure sanctuary for those seeking intimacy with nature. Kamia Resort and Spa combines luxury with cultural richness, inviting guests to partake in traditional Fijian ceremonies and ocean view yoga. The Wakaya Club and Spa in Kokomo Private Island, Fiji, epitomize privacy and pampering, with all-inclusive experiences and personalized luxury encounters. Vatuvara Private Islands offers secluded opulence, with only 3 villas ensuring an exclusive stay in one of the world's most beautiful places. Beka Lagoon Resort and Korosan Resort and Rainforest Spa provide settings where guests can dive into serenity or explore the rainforest. Jean-Michel Cousteau Resort is the standard for eco-friendly luxury, offering guilt-free indulgence for eco-conscious travelers. Namale Resort and Spa and Six Senses Vana offer tailored wellness journeys and a blend of ancient and modern wellness practices. Kamalaya focuses on integrative health and holistic healing, with customized programs for detoxification, stress resilience, and spiritual development. Savasi Island Resort provides secluded island bliss, while the Yasawa and Mamanuca Islands offer barefoot luxury with marine adventures. These boutique resorts are intimate escapes that cater to every need, ensuring a rejuvenating experience. Fiji's health and wellness retreats are transformative experiences that offer more than just a vacation. They provide a chance to reconnect with nature, indulge in cultural richness, and rejuvenate the mind, body, and spirit. What are the top wellness retreats in Fiji for a rejuvenating experience? Valivali Beach's active retreats, Matava Fiji's premier eco-adventure resort, and Kamia Resort and Spa are among the top choices for rejuvenation, offering a blend of activities and luxury. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.